The first thing you guys do on your cruise ship is unpack because this is going fast. Now the rest of the ship is looking at us push off, but I've seen that a few times. So I'm here getting ready to get this luggage unpacked. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, here's my luggage. And then most of my clothes, because all of my stuff I like to hang. So I'm gonna stuff my luggage in here at the bottom. And it's in here with the life jackets. My Target jumpsuit, I got a little dress. This is what I wore, so I have that hanging, of course, because I'll probably wear that home. I got my little jumpsuit, you guys seen in my Ashley Stewart. And what do I have new? This is from Target. I thought it was cute, and this one is from Target as well. So yeah, I got those two from Target. Universal Threads, this one was $30. And this one I think was the same, $30. And I got this from Ashley. I got this, this is from Ashley Stewart. You guys probably remember this. And this dress I got from Target a few years ago. It's cute. And then I got this dress. So stuff essential that you need for a cruise. You need something white and you need something flowy. I don't really have anything dressy this trip because I just didn't have time to get it together. But I will, even though this is denim, I will wear this to dinner. And then this pantsuit, I'm going to spray it with some Downy so some of the wrinkles can fall out. I'll probably wear that one day. And then I also have stuff in here. This is my little area. I see my shoes. So I got these funky Sam Ada men's, and these are pretty comfortable. And so this is really the only dress shoe that I have. Plus I have these loafers by Marc Joseph, and I forgot to bring my little I need to wear some socks or something with them, but I'll just have to wing it because I forgot to bring my socks. And of course I got my Crocs for the beach, and these are the rugged kind, so these are gonna be really nice for the beach and going to the ocean. I'll probably carry them versus wearing them because they're okay. And then I got these sneakers. So these are fresh, brand new. So I put these little decorations on them, so they're cute. And of course, you guys may remember when I bought these, so I'll be wearing these also. I don't know what I got on them, but anyhow, that's that. And then these are like my PJs, and then I have here, I got this drawer, and this drawer I brought my Carnival cup, and these are like my t-shirts. I brought these tank top t-shirts. I bought a whole bunch of these from Walmart because these are nice to wear under stuff, and a few pair of socks, and then I put my undies in this one. I left the bottom drawer, so I usually wear black and nude undies, and this is a slip actually, so it's a cotton slip. I can wear this with most of my dresses. And this is my cosmetic bag. I'm still like unpacking stuff. And then this is something I bought. This is my MCM stuff. I have to show you guys. And sunglasses. But this is, I got a lot of makeup in here, but you know, I'm planning on maybe on the island finding something. But this is my Portland leather. And then I brought my dog to wear around. And yeah, so I got the necessities I need to put on makeup. And then this side, I don't have anything in there. Then in the bathroom, I got my robe here. This is a silk robe. This is, who is this by? Lily Silk. I've had this for many years. It holds up pretty good. And then I have my packing my stuff right here. So yeah, and then I brought some Bath and Body Works hand soap, and then that's my stuff I gotta put over here and unpack. And yeah, so I have a brush over there for your feet. I always make sure I bring a brush for your feet when you're going to the beach. And still working on unpacking. So that's what I got so far. Okay, this is my luggage, 49.5 pounds on the way home. So watch me unpack. Okay, my friends, I'm downstairs in the basement in the laundry room, and I just want to show you guys my Eagle Creek bag. It's huge. It's like a duffel. I got it on top of the wash machine, but I started unzipping it, and I just was like, let me show you guys. And here I have a bunch of toiletry extra items, like hair products, stuff I didn't need. And then here, this is my underwears, my undies, and I just got, what else I got in here? I got a receipt in here. Of course, the girl got a bunch of receipts. Oh, this is something I bought on the cruise, and I got a belt and stuff in here, but I always take a hand soap, because I just like hand soap versus the soap they have in the, but yeah, this bag is stuff to the max. And I got some carnival cards. I meant to get more of these, but I forgot. But this is like my drink mixes, stuff I didn't need. I'm gonna make a video of what you need to take on the. And I took a box of tissue because I used it, and I just feel like other people shouldn't. Just in case. But anyway, long story. Oh, my thing off my crock. Oh man, look, I got my Crocs stuffed in here. I got one here and I got one here. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get my stuff unpacked because of course I got a lot of laundry to do, but there's a lot of stuff I didn't wear. Oh, here, it fell off here. I got some Gorilla Glue. I can glue it back on, but yeah, Crocs is a must for the beach. And let's see what else I got. I just put this is the lotion that I used while I was on vacation. Tree Hut. I always like to squeeze it out. I don't know. I just grabbed this from TJ Maxx a long time ago, so I had never used it. So I was like, let me just throw this in the luggage. So, oh shit. Oh, sorry about that. I got these glasses free from the hotel we stayed at, Embassy Suites. These are Busch Gardens, Tampa. I thought they were so cute. I thought they looked cute in my bag. As you can see, I didn't open them, so I don't know what I'm going to do with them. If I'm going to give them away to, like, my little nephews or something. But these are my Sam Edelman's, which I'm sure I have in another video. Here's an extra bag. But what I'm really trying to get to, here's my pen bag. I didn't need to take this either. I don't know why I took that, but I didn't need to take that. This trip, your girl just took too much stuff I didn't need. But I wanted to get this out so I can show y'all what I bought. And of course, I got stuff with tags on that I didn't even wear. But these right here is everything. And as you can see, they're probably a little crusty. But yeah, I wore these for like hours and hours. And these are so comfortable. So in fact, I need to go on Nike website and get me some more. I wore these, I think, once or twice. So maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna wear them in the summer, and I always got a extra pair of cheap underwear. But this is basically, and here's my glass case from Coach. I did use this once. Oh, I need some lotion. And I got a receipt in there from Target, but I wore those. And this is a cute glass case. So, and it's Coach. I don't know if you guys seen this chalk. Yep, so I got this, and then all of this, I got clothes that's got tags on it that I didn't wear, but I love this Target dress. And most of this stuff in here I wore. So this, I'm just gonna make me a little pile here of all the dirty stuff. This is new. I didn't wear these. I just wasn't feeling them. I tried them on and stuff. These PJs, I didn't wear these. I wore this. I didn't wear these either. These are still new. And sometimes it just gets mixed in. I don't know who hair that is. Look at this. Who hair is this? It definitely might be mine. Who knows? I wore this dress, which I loved. Was awesome. I wore this dress, which was just something easy to throw on. I wore these leggings. This is for my hair. And this is my silk robe, which I love. I've had this for years, so I should wash it, but I'm gonna put that on and record a video. And then what's this? Oh, I wore this dress. It was okay. I mean, I bought it, so I just wore it, but, and then these PJs I wore. This is like a nightgown. It's by Soma. And it's a Cool Max, really nice. Oh, this is something I bought, so I want to show y'all this. I'll show y'all this in another video. Oh, it looked like I got something on it. I'll show y'all that and what I bought. I bought this at Target. I didn't wear it. It was too big. I tried it on, and I had a hard time getting that sucker off. And I took this one by Ashley Stewart. Y'all might have seen this in my Ashley Stewart video. And I didn't wear that either. And I wore these jeans, which, you know, for jeans, for me, I just don't wash them, because I just like the shape. I like how they get more relaxed when you wear them. So I'm gonna put this in a fabric freshener. And then this, I'm probably gonna take it back to Target because it's just too big. I don't know, it just didn't look right at the bottom. And then this I got from Target, but I was gonna wear this on the beach, but I ended up wearing this other dress. Is this by Stoney? No, this ain't. This is Ava Viva. It's like terry cloth. I brought it because I thought it'd be a nice cover-up dress, but I never wore it. It's kind of like beach vibes, but so I'm gonna keep that. And then I got this blue jean jacket, which I love. I didn't know this video was gonna be this long, but it has gold buttons. This is by INC. Oh, this is a 3X. I've had this for many years. I'm gonna wash it because I didn't wear it, but I don't know. It just needs a little freshening up, and I'm gonna wash it. And then this I didn't wear. I took the tags off finally, but I didn't wear it. And I actually wore these loafers with the white dress one day. And these are leather, and they're cute. They're, you know, Miami Vice looking. And then here's my other shoe. Yeah. And I wore these leather pants. Or these pleather pants by Ashley Stewart. These are so nice. Your girl gonna have to wear these more often because these were like everything. I'm gonna put these in a fabric freshener. Because look how wrinkled they got. The fabric freshener kind of takes out the odor, and then it like releases some of the wrinkles and stuff. But yeah, these pants, I did wear them, but you know, some things that you wear don't require to be washed. When you have a fabric freshener, you can put them in the fabric freshener. So I'm put those jeans and that in a fabric freshener, and I'm probably gonna wash my robe. I've had this robe, oh my goodness. One of my boyfriends bought this for me, and I've had it for, I don't know, a long time. It's really nice. So, yeah, I think that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Peace out. I wanted to show you guys my other luggage. These are my Portland leather toiletry bags. These are awesome. But your girl took too much. The one that just had my makeup, I only wore makeup one day. So next time I need to just take a little smaller amount that I can put in here. And here, I think I got some sinus tablets and the little stuff I carried on the beach. Oh no, I got other stuff. I got this. I'll have to show y'all that. And then I got this denim dress that I wore, and then all of this is the dirty undies. And I don't know, this must be something that's dirty. I got it in a plastic bag. Extra sunglasses and PJs. And here's my Stony Clover backpack. And my Kate Spade items I bought. Other stuff, lady stuff, girl stuff. I got a little vodka. I did wear these pajamas too while I was there. And some other handbag accessories. I think I got some wallet stuff in here. So, all right, I'll show you guys what else I got.